Hi guys, how are you doing? Welcome to my weekly analysis. I don't want to waste too much of your time in this video. So I'm still waiting for the XY to hit this spot, at least to hit this spot before shooting really down because it has been creating liquidity with this higher that is creating right here. So because of that, I will be patient. So I'm expecting all these GU and AU to come a little bit down again, then shoot up. But then if you look at AU more carefully, we'll see that down here, after the push of this break of structure, although it's a weak, I have this piece imbalance here that it is yet to be filled. So even though I am bullish, I'm still bullish on it. I will take this trade if it comes there, but I won't over risk it. It will still be 1 to 2%. Because I know there's still a gap that may need to be filled here. If the market now decides to come here, then I will not risk more. So same thing for GU. I have that space as well down here. But because it has broken another high, believe me, all this can be liquidity. The market can decide to shoot all the way down to come and fill up this gap before shooting up. So you have to be careful, guys. But anyways, I am still bullish. In fact, after this recent break of structures on both, I have these areas. GU already triggered and is in profit, but AU did not get to that point. Remember what I said, there's a gap below, so I will not over risk these areas. So if JPY broke a structure too, after filling up all these gaps, I'm expecting it to come to this area, then I'll come to the lower time frame to see if I can join the ride all the way up. Because I have a gap here that I'm expecting the market to fill too. GJ, same thing. I'm still expecting a buy, but I'm expecting the market to come all the way down here. So I'm not going to touch this until the market comes here. If it continues up, no problem. But I will not touch this until it comes to the zone. I'm actually looking at derivative intensities for the weekend. So let me show you guys the trades I am in. I have this trade that cleared liquidity here and broke structure. So after a very long time, this gap was not filled. You could see the liquidity down here, equal lows. So I think the market just decided to tap into it. So I'm expecting this. And while it was coming down, it created the gap here, breaking structure and leaving this gap. So I'm expecting the market to react to this and, jump up. I'm actually in the trade already, and let's see what happens, right? Let's see what happens. Then what other trade can I show you? I think I have a trade on 75. Do I have a trade on 75? Yeah, same thing. This cleared liquidity and broke structure, but the market left this gap. So I'm expecting the market to come all the way down here. What else? I think 100 1S. Yeah, I'm expecting a buy all the way down here. So this can be so if you trade synthetic indices, these are free trades I'm giving you. I trade them during weekends. So I have liquidity all the way up here, two equal highs. So I'm expecting the market to move above it. But all these can be liquidity as well. So the market can decide to use this area as liquidity to come all the way down here before pushing up. So you don't want to actually take this because it broke this high. You can see it was reacting to another block here too. So I'll wait patiently for here to carry this all the way up. So that's what I have for 100S. I think I've given you two. I have like yeah, I've given you three. Yeah, I've given you three. I have like five, but I think this three is okay. So I'm not actually on boom at the moment. Let's see what it does. If it gives it to me, fine. I'll be happy with it. gives it to me. But if not, that's the market. It will do its thing. But I expect this to give it to me. The only fear I have is, since it's synthetic, it can give a little weak here to tap me out before doing it. But because of these two equal highs, I believe this should actually move up. Yeah, I believe it should. So basically, that's what I have. Same thing with Forex strategy. That's why I do this. So I was expecting the market to come below these three equal highs, right? Equal lows, rather. Sorry, three equal lows to swap out the big sweep before doing which it is doing. And if you check this very well, it has wicked like twice. It created a bull candle, wicked the second one, and I think the third one is actually doing its thing too. I am not bothered. I am not bothered. I know. So when the market start giving you all these kind of wicks, you should expect that bullish move. So for the weekend, I'm still in the market taking trades. That's just what I want to prove. So guys, that's what I have for you. Like I said, I'll be waiting for GU and AU down there below. CHF, GK, I'm still bullish too. Waiting for them down below there. Please do not take any trade you see on my channel directly without doing your own analysis. I might be wrong. I repeat, I might be wrong. So please, I beg you, do your own analysis and make sure it aligns with yours before putting your hard-earned money in any of my trades. Thank you very much for sticking to the channel. If you want to learn, if you want to, do what I do, feel free to reach out to me. And I'll see you guys next week. Bye.